Hey besties, in today's video I'm going to share with you 5 ways to make money that no one is talking about. Yes, so on this platform, on these YouTube streets. In today's video I'm going to share with you 5 ways to make money as a teenager without a job. And let's just get right into today's business. The first one on my list is, you can become a product tester. Yes, so it is called product testing. Now, product testing offers an easy way to earn money by evaluating and providing feedback on various products, yes, for companies. And you don't require any specific qualifications or skills to get started in this field. To embark on your product testing journey, all you need to do is sign up for reputable platforms like Toluna, Pinecone Research, and of course user testing. Now, these platforms connect you with companies that are eager to receive valuable insights on their products. Once they are registered, you will have the opportunity to test products and receive payments for your time and efforts. Now, when conducting these product tests, it is crucial to provide honest and detailed feedback. Your insights actually play a vital role in helping these companies improve the quality, features, and usability of their products. When you offer thoughtful feedback, you can establish a strong reputation within the product testing community and increase your chances of receiving more testing opportunities. Product testing is a great way to influence the development and improvement of consumer products. The next way to make money here is through print on demand. Yes, so guys, print on demand has emerged as a popular online method for generating income by offering customized products like phone cases, t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, cups. This business model involves the creation of the designs that are then uploaded to a print-on-demand platform and marketed to potential customers. The beauty of the print-on-demand lies in the ability to eliminate the need for inventory. You don't need any inventory. You don't need to keep stock or even upfront costs. So when you partner with a reliable print-on-demand platform like Printful, Teespring, Redbubble, you can entrust the printing, the shipping, and of course the customer service aspects to them, which allows you to focus on promoting your unique products. To begin your print-on-demand journey, it is important to choose a niche that aligns with your interests and target audience. It will enable you to create designs that resonate with your potential customers. Once you have your designs ready, simply upload them to your preferred print-on-demand platform. Another way to make money is to create and sell digital printables. Guys, designing and selling digital printables like calendars, planners, wall art is a lucrative opportunity for teenagers with design skills to earn money independently. You can use platforms like Etsy, yes, so creative markets, eBay, and you can showcase and sell your digital products while leveraging social media platforms to effectively market these products. One of the greatest advantages of creating digital printables is the potential for passive income. Once you create your designs, you can sell them repeatedly without the need for ongoing production. Yes, so it allows you to generate income continuously, even while you focus on other aspects of your business or personal life. Also, you can offer custom designs, yes, to clients' ads as an additional income stream, and you can provide personalized and unique designs that is tailored to their specific preferences, and you can charge them a premium price, yes, for your specialized services. Another way to make money that no one is talking about is that you can become a transcriptionist. Guys, transcription is a valuable process of converting spoken audio or video material into written text. Yes, so it presents a flexible and efficient way to earn money. There are so many companies that are actively seeking out skilled transcriptionists to transcribe a wide range of content, including interviews, meetings, podcasts, and so much more. To embark on a transcription career, you will need a few essential tools. You need a reliable computer, a stable internet connection, and a good pair of headphones. Yes, they are key to ensuring clear audio playback. Now, depending on the platform or employer, you may also be required to pass a transcription test to demonstrate your proficiency and accuracy. Fortunately, there are so many platforms available that cater to transcribers at different skill levels, from beginners to experienced professionals. Now, we have rev.com, we have transcribeme.com, we have gotranscripts.com. They are well-regarded platforms that offer opportunities for transcriptionists to find work and gain experience. The pay rate for transcription work varies based on factors like, the complexity and duration of the contents that you are transcribing. Now, another way to make money is to sell handmade goods. Guys, selling handmade items online has become a highly lucrative business opportunity for individuals with artistic skills. So whether your passion lies in crafting jewelry, furniture, or picture frames, the internet offers a vast marketplace to showcase and sell your unique creations. Now, the handmade goods industry presents an ideal platform for creative individuals to transform their artistic talents into profitable ventures. What is even more exciting is that even teenagers can seize this business idea and make a mark in the online space. Yes, so online market space. Now, platforms like Etsy have gained immense popularity among artisans, and it makes it an excellent starting point for launching your handmade business. When you establish your online store and implement effective marketing strategies, you can attract a wide customer base and generate significant revenue through the sale of your handcrafted products. Guys, do you know that you can also do service flipping? Yes, service flipping, you can actually, do a lot of service flipping activities like, buying a service at a cheap rate and selling at a higher rate. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to leave the comfort of your home. You don't have to lift your finger. All you need to do is just connect, your clients with the service provider, and then they don't need to even know each other. You get paid, and then you pay the service provider, and you get the margin. I don't know if you understand what I mean. And I'll give you an example. So let's assume that you create a cleaning service company. Yes, let's assume that you clean homes for people. That's what your company says. You don't have to do it yourself. So you look for clients, and when you get booked, then you hire someone who's going to do it at a cheaper rate, and then they go to do it. The only thing you need to do is you need to have good project management skills. You need to have good communication skills, and you need to be able to ensure that they deliver quality service. Yes, because it's your brand, it's your name. Your name is on the line. So you have to ensure that whatever the work they are doing on your behalf is to the maximum, to the best, quality. Yes, so you can do service flip. There are so many ways to actually make money. Guys, do you know that you can also you can make money as a caterer? Yes, you can cater for high-end clients. I like to do only high-end business. Yes, I like to do high-end. I'm not a mass market person, because I worked in the bank before, and I understand the stress and, all that it takes to, do mass market. You need a lot of funding for that. But of course, if you're only targeting high-end, you're only doing luxury products, you don't need to overstress yourself. Yeah, just a few clients will give you what you need. Yes, it's as easy as that. If you need, yes. And that is it for today, guys. Making money, like I said, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. And that is it for today, guys. I'm not sure I've introduced myself yet. Okay, so guys, if you're new here, as we always do, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Thank you for your love and your support. I see you, and I appreciate every single one of you. And if you're a Patreon member of this channel, if you're a Patreon member, thank you. Man, you guys are the best. Thank you for your love and your massive support. Your girl. If you'd like to join my Patreon community, please find the link in the description as well as in the comments. When you join my Patreon community, do you know you can book a free one-on-one consultation with me? Yes, you can book a free one-on-one session with me. We can discuss all things money, grants, business, and everything in between. So guys, that is it for today. If you have any questions for me, let me know in the comments. Like I always say, this is not just my channel, it is your channel, it is our channel. This is a safe space. Feel free to ask your questions, and if you have any feedback for me, if you need me to improve on X and Y on certain things that I do, I am open to feedback. I welcome all kinds of feedback, whether positive or negative. I'm here to improve. I'm working for you guys day and night, so don't worry about it. Just let me know what you want to see more of. If you want me to improve on X and Y, anything at all, please let me know on my channel. In fact, somebody said something in one of my videos recently. The person said I should take off my glasses, and I had to explain to the person that I am short-sighted. I will not see. Can you see? I'll start squinting my eyes, and I don't want it to look like, so please bear with me. In that regards, I cannot help it. This is a medicated glasses. It's medicated, so please bear with me. And at this point, I want to say a big thank you to you guys for watching all the way till the very end. I remain your girl, Mariam. If you need me to do a research, lots of specifications, let me know. I'm working for you guys. And of course, I will see you in my next video. Take care of yourselves, and bye for now. God bless you.